How to become a trading psychologist and hack your brain to bigger profits. Trading psychology is so crucial to trading, it's little wonder 95% of traders fail in the markets. Taming your emotions and putting yourself on the right path takes time. But the psychology of mastering yourself is something you can learn. As I've shown you in this report, arming yourself with the right knowledge, techniques, and methods is half the battle, and a great step in the right direction. The rest is up to you. You can't remove your emotions, or trading demons, as I like to call them. That's the trick. They'll always be there. It's about mastering them. That's why the psychology of trading success lies with mastering yourself and not mastering the market. It's about mind over me, not mind over market. The sooner you can keep your emotions under control, the sooner you'll start seeing the type of trading performance and profits you crave. Until then, here's to profitable trading.